Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to hide your followers and following list on the Likee application step by step. This is perfect if you want a little more privacy on your profile or just want to manage who sees your connections. First of all, open up the Likee app on your smartphone and make sure that you're logged in. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the home screen. Once you open up your profile, tap on the three lines at the top right corner and then click on Settings. Under Settings, click on Privacy. Now under Privacy, go ahead and scroll down under Relationship, tap on Following and Followers. Once you open up this Who Can View My Following and Followers list, go ahead and select Only Me. Once you select Only Me, this will hide your followers and following list from others. Now, no one will be able to view your following and follower list on your profile. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your followers and following list on Likee. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.